Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn how to fix many-to-many relationship in Power BI using Power Query. Now let me switch to the computer for the demo. So let me show you the table first. So this is the movies award table. So you can see the movie title and language and the award win count. And there is some duplicate movie title. If you can see the Golden Dream two times. So because it first time it got a two award and then later it got a one more award, so this row is added. Now we'll see the another table, that is a movies revenue. So here you can see the movie title. Again there is a duplicate Golden Dream and movie language and the revenue and the year. Now what we are going to do, we will see the relationship first. And another thing, if you can see here, the Dream City. Okay, Dream City is not available in the movie award table. Okay, because Dream City did not get any award. And if you can see here, the Tech World is not available in the movie review table. So this is the also problem. Now we'll go to relationship tab, and if you can see here, the relationship between movie title is a many to many relationship. If you can see here, the many to many relationship. Okay, now I'll show you the problem. So I will add a one table from the Power BI visualization gallery, and from here I will add a movie title and some of the award count, and then I will, from the movie revenue, I will add a revenue, sum of revenue. So now we'll investigate this. Here you can see Dream City. Dream City is not appearing here. So if you can see, Dream City is disappear, and in the movie revenue table the Dream City is available, because the Dream City is not available in the movie award table. So there is an ambiguity. And if I will bring the title from here, this, if I remove title from here and bring the title from here, so you will see in award table there is a Tech World movie, and here you will see, let me minimize this, and here you will see the Tech World is missing. So this is the problem actually, because of the many to many relationship, and many to many relationship also cause ambiguity and also the performance issue. So there is a, this is the workaround solution, and but I will always suggest, if it will come from the backend, then it will be better from the SQL server or any table, the Excel sheet or something like that. But if you have a no option, you can do like this. So what we are going to do, we'll go to the Power Query actually, transform data and transform data. And here you can see the movie award table is selected. And what I'm going to do, I will go here and I'll say append query. Append queries as a new. Now if I'll click append queries in the new, it will open this window, and I want to append movie award with movie revenue. And now I'll click OK. So now you can see all the columns. Let me change the name. I'll say dim movies. Dim movies. Okay, dimension movies table. After that, what I am going to do, I will right click here and I will say remove other columns. So now it will be the single column. Now you can see the duplicates, like Golden Dream and all that. Here you can see the Golden Dream, and here also you can see the Golden Dream. So what I'm going to do, I will make this value unique. So I'll right click here and I will say remove duplicate. Now we can see the few movies, and this is the unique value. And after that, I will apply, close and apply. And now I'll go to the relationship tab. Let us refresh first. And I'll go to the relationship tab. And I will delete this relationship first. And this relationship is already created, one to many, from movie title to movie title, and this is inactive relationship. So by default it is created. If it is not created, then you have to create. And now what I am going to do, I'll make this active and click OK. So here you can see dim movie with the movie revenue, one to many relationship on the movie title. And if you click here, the dim movies with movies award, one to many relationship. Okay, now I'll click on save, and now I'll go to the report. Now here you can see the value is slightly different. We'll fix this actually. Now I will remove the movie title from here, and sum of award win count I'll keep as it is, sum of revenue I'll keep as it is. And now what I'm going to do, in the dim movie table, I will bring the movie title here. So now I will show you. Let me zoom in. So if you can see here, the what was the missing? Tech World was missing. So you can see the Tech World has a one award, but there is no revenue. And the another is the Dream City Sims, Dream City. So Dream City has a no award, but it has a revenue. So it is appearing. So in this way, you can resolve the problem of many to many relationship, and this is the workaround solution. But I will always suggest to, if this dimension table will be created in the database or the excel sheet or whatever, the from any backend, so it will be better. It always better to bring those table dimension table from the backend. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and I request you to please subscribe my channel.